In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the way that you can create a playlist on your YouTube channel. Whether you're trying to create a playlist for yourself or for your viewers, in this video, let me show you how it's done. Open up a web browser and make sure that this is a web browser that you have the YouTube channel on, and then head over to YouTube. Click on the profile icon on the top right and then head over to view your channel. Now, in order to create a playlist for yourself or for others, it's going to be the same process. You just want to select the video that you're trying to add into a playlist. For example, if you want to add in this video, click on the three dots right here. Click on Save to Playlist. Now you can create a new playlist if you want. Click on this option. Name the playlist anything that you like. And you'll have the option of making this private, unlisted, or public. Public meaning anyone visiting your channel will be able to view it. Unlisted means anyone having the link to that particular playlist will be able to view it. And private means you are only able to view it. So select your option and then click on Create. Similarly, you can repeat the process for other videos as well. If the playlist option is not visible in this section, you can open up the video, click on the three dots, and then you'll be able to see the playlist option. Select the playlist again, and the video will be added to your playlist. Now, if you want to view this particular playlist, click on the playlist section that you see on the left-hand side. And this is the playlist that we just created. If you open this up, you're going to see all of the videos that are inside. So that was the process on the way that you can create a playlist on your YouTube channel. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more tutorial videos just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.